Good evening, Sugar Plums. Welcome to my holiday night routine. As always, I am starting my night off with a warm bubble bath. I am lighting my pink fairy gumdrop candle from Bath & Body Works that literally smells like cotton candy. I am using a Bath Fizzy, also from Bath & Body Works, and the scent Sugar Plum Dream. I love how pretty and pink this Bath Fizzy turns my bath water. Now I am just adding in some bubbles and my new favorite holiday scent, Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. Time to turn on some Christmas music and relax in the tub. After my bath, I like to apply body lotion and a body spray. You already know I'm using Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. This scent smells delicious. Next, I'm getting into my cozy Christmas PJs. My shirt and pajama pants are from Five Below. I love how my shirt says Sparkle All the Way. So girly. Now I am just applying a Santa brightening sheet mask that I got from Big Lots. This mask looks nothing like a Santa face, more like a meat and cheese board. But it actually left my skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, so that's good. While I leave my face mask on for 20 minutes, I am just watching some YouTube videos. Right now I am watching My Pretty Everything. She makes a lot of pretty and girly videos and she's entertaining to watch. I definitely recommend checking out her channel. I decided to also apply a lip scrub and some lip oil. This time of the year can make my lips dry, so applying a lip scrub and a lip oil helps to rehydrate them. Next thing in my holiday night routine is wrapping a couple of gifts. Who enjoys gift wrapping? I'm not that great at it, so I don't really enjoy it that much. Time to bake some Christmas cookies and pop some popcorn to have with our movie. Tonight we are watching Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You. This movie is actually quite adorable. If you haven't seen it yet, definitely check it out. After the movie is over, I tuck my son into bed and read him The Night Before Christmas. This book is actually a book that I received in 3rd grade from a childhood best friend. I still can't believe I have it, and in great condition too. It's such a classic. Once I kiss my son goodnight, I get myself ready for bed and call it a night. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.